Hello everybody, welcome back. If you would want to download voice message from your messenger on your PC or laptop, you may just follow up these steps in order to do so. So you can head over and open up facebook.com for that and access it up. And once you go ahead and access it up, you will be finding this. So the next thing you need to do is you may just head over and go over to your profile in the top right corner or go to the messenger and open it up and go ahead and locate up the chat where the message is located. So you can basically go ahead and find the chat. Let me just show you. So let's say this is the message right here and we have a voice chat right here. So find the voice chat first of all and right click on it and you can find an option appear on your screen. You may go ahead and find the option for inspect and head over it and open it up like this, and this opens up. Now once you head over and open up inspect, what you need to do is go ahead and find the option for network here in the top right corner of this section right here. If you can't find it, you can click on this arrow icon and expand it up and go ahead and find network and click on it. And after you click on it, you may just head over and go ahead and play the voice message on your screen like this. And there we go. So you can go ahead and play it like this on your screen and you will be finding the voice message. Now you just need to go ahead and locate up the voice message on this section of your screen. Double click on it. And once you find it up, you can click on this more options and go ahead and look out for this download option right here. Click on it. And once you do so, that particular voice message will be installed on your device. You can head over and find the file location and locate it up, and that's it. So if you'd also like to download voice message from your messenger in your device, in your PC or laptop, you may head over and follow up these methods in order to do so. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.